Hi, it's Bonnie from Three Birds Renovations, and I'm in a property that we have just finished renovating. We are standing in front of the most incredible view, but also in front of the most incredible windows. They're Stegbar windows, and we've gone with custom timber windows here. We did that because we have these expansive views. They're amazing. And I think this window is the perfect example of the fact that you don't always need detailing on your window. You can just have a huge pane of glass, especially if it's arched and beautiful, when there's something like that behind it.
The forest sings to me.
Now up here in the main bedroom, we've got pretty much the exact same window. It's just a little bit shorter because again, we have these incredible views. But if you come on over here, we've got French doors. We've got these amazing, incredible arch windows everywhere in this house. But this set of doors here, pretty much you can still get that effect without the price tag. They're just that little bit more cost effective. Stegbar has an amazing selection of high quality products and have been making windows and doors for over 75 years. Their expert staff can help you make the selection easier no matter what the project is. Head online or into a showroom to find out more.